to the Arroyo Seco.
A long time to the Arroyo Seco.
Yes, it has. A long, long, lonely, 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 lonely time.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Have a good day up there.
Okay, and you too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. It's okay. I won't worry too much.
No, worry. Are you sure? All right, here we are at the trail.
High enough that they don't pull off.
Oh, okay.
And you tie them around your head, and you pull this up tight, so they won't come off.
Gotcha. Good system. All right.
Works well, huh? On rafting trips.
This is well on our way in the gorge, and Bill's trying to not get in the water, but not succeeding, and Keith is actually going right in for it. Looking good, Keith. You're the man. And upstream, nothing but beauty. All right, here's the gorge. We just came out of this little area right down here, and we have a kind of a working record going. of the gorge. If I can manage to not fall into it, it goes way down there. And here are the co-conspirators and the gorge, the gorging of the gorge. Now it's going to be gorging at the So, say it again.
A lot like you were. Oh man.
This is what the heat does to people. This is a motion picture covering Heat Rising, starring William Swanson, co-starring Keith and Dawn.